Welcome back to Great Day St. Louis. Once again, across the spectrum here at Channel 4, we are practicing our social distancing.
Just practicing
Maybe
it. Haven't perfected it yet.
We're
practicing.
But, you know, we joke about it, but it's a very real attempt to keep ourselves as safe as possible and serve as an example as well. Because you know what? We've made mistakes with this thing over the past few days at times. People flub and go, oh, I shouldn't be doing that. I mean, we're all, you know, in this together, like Laura said, and working our way through this and becoming accustomed to this new way of life that we're going to be in for weeks, months, we don't know yet.
It's not hardwired just yet, is it?
But no, not yet. All right. The kids are out of school and all of the St. Patrick's Day festivities have been canceled here in St. Louis, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy some St. Patrick's Day fun at home.
Our partners at Parents are showing us how to make swinging shamrocks. Check it out.
For this craft, you'll need a cardboard tube, glue, paint, a brush, and fishing line. Start by flattening the tube and cut 4 half-inch rings. Cut through each ring. With 3 of the rings, bend and glue the ends together to form heart-shaped leaves. Fold and glue the 4th ring into a triangular stem. Glue the stem between 2 leaves, then add the 3rd leaf. Paint the shamrock green, of course. Hang with the fishing line. These symbols of Ireland are made with recycled materials, so you'll really be going green this St. Patrick's Day.
Well, there you go. A little fun with the kids. You know what we did yesterday? I don't even know if I should admit this publicly.
Absolutely.
We never got
Listen, I just talked about dyeing my toilet water. So.
You're right. I'm good. I'm in the clear. We never got to the gingerbread houses at Christmas time. I know. So
seriously?
They
so
were,
you made them yesterday?
We did them yesterday.
Did you put a green tint
There was,
on
well,
them,
this kit, for whatever reason, came with green and red icing. So we did. We were St. Patrick's in it up.
Perfect.
It was fun for the kids.
That's one day of activity. That's all you
One
do
down,
again. One at a
300
time.
to go, yeah. This is a perfect craft, of course, for kids and a way to get them in the St. Patrick's Day spirit. For other fun craft ideas, you can go to parents.com. Parents, of course, owned by the same company that owns this television station, the Meredith Corporation. Even while we're social distancing, we can still be corporate shills.
They don't say anything about vertical distance.
That's right. No. Coming up during the